Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I have another unboxing for you guys, and yes, I'm doing a lot of my unboxing videos all in one day. I just couldn't wait. I wanted to see what was in them. So if you see my unboxing videos and I'm dressed the same and look the same, yeah, I'm impatient. I want to see what's in these beauty boxes. But anywho, this unboxing, it is by Detox Market. Detox Market is a company that sells clean and green beauty and skincare brands. And I've been really enjoying getting this box because this one just concentrates on one brand. Now don't get me wrong, I still like getting different products like from the Look Fantastic beauty box and the Beauty Fix box by Dermstore. But this is kind of different type of a concept here with just getting one brand. Now this one is a little bit on the pricier side, and I'll go ahead and just write it down below in the description box so you can see the different subscriptions and the cost, so this video won't be too long. Let's go ahead and see what's in this month for July. All right, and there it is. And let's see. It comes in with two little cards, and this month's brand is Herbivore. All right, I do like some of their products. And this card tells you all about the people who started Herbivore and a little Q&A on the back of it, so you can kind of know about them, more about them. But they are Julia Wills and Alexander Kummerow. And on the other card, it gives you a little description about the products that are in here. It looks like we have 4 products, and let me get the big box here. And this is the Prism. All right, a full-size product of the Prism. So it's 30 mils of product, and it's $62. This potent potion blends a rainbow of fruit acids, bilberry lactic, sugarcane glycolic. This lightweight exfoliating serum gently soothes, brightens, and plumps the appearance of skin. All right. Ooh, it smells very good. Oh, wow. Okay, can't wait to try this one. All right, the next 3 are all the same size, and this one is a regenerating face oil, Phoenix. All right, it's an orange oil, and let's read about this one. You get 0.3 ounce of product, and this one costs $26. Wow, really? Let your skin be reborn with a revitalizing cocktail of vitamin A-packed rosehip oil, nourishing sea buckthorn and chai seed oils, plus super antioxidants CoQ10. All right, but I can't get over that this little bottle right here is $26. Okay. I should say that you usually get products in here that are worth $90 or more. So that's, I think we're almost there. At the second little small box, I believe it's the same size. And this one is the lapis oil. Love the blue lapis. Again with a 0.3 of an ounce, and this one costs $24. So it's $2 cheaper than the Phoenix. A calming dose of alzaline-rich blue tansy reduces the appearance of redness while encouraging balanced hydration. All right, I know that this will be great for acne-prone skin, so I'm excited about this one. All right, and the last one here, this one's a light yellow one, and it's the Orchard. Is it Orchid or Orchard? But again, you get 0.3 of an ounce, and this one's $22. Get a dewy glow with lush floral oils and skin smoothing squalane. Oh, I love squalane. Orchid extract and jasmine sambac oil. I believe that's how you say it. Softened while smelling divine. Let's see what this smells like. Can't really smell anything, but I'm sure when you put the oil on your face, you will. Yeah, can't smell anything. But all right, we've got a lot of oils here this month. But it's by the brand Herbivore, and I do know that brand. I love the blue tansy mask from them. Love it. And the rose water spray. That one is a beautiful rose water spray. It's a little bit on the pricier side, a lot more expensive than the Mario Badescu one, but that one just, I don't know, there's just something about it. But all right, I'm excited about this month. Herbivore is this month's brand of the month. Let me add this up to see if this is worth $90 or more. So this month's box is worth $134. That's just hard to believe that these cost $22, $24, $26. Wow, that's a little bit on the pricier side. But anywho, I'm really happy with this box, and I can't wait to try, especially this, the Prism. Because every time I walk into Sephora, I would see this, and it's like, I don't want to spend that much money on this, but I'm glad I got it in a beauty box. There's just something about it that makes it look so clean. I don't know, the glass bottle and the clear serum, I don't know, but it just looks so So clean. Well, alright guys, that is it for this month's Detox Market unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.